Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a cover photo for your projects or videos on CapCut PC. So here I've already imported clips and I've already added to the CapCut PC track. And to easily create a thumbnail or cover photo, you can just click on or go to the pencil icon on the track here to edit your cover photo. So click on that and there will be a pop-up like this. Now you can just select the cover that you want. You can select a scene from your video, or you can also upload an image, a separate image, maybe like your own thumbnail, and drag it to here or put it here and then click on edit. So I'm going to just select a scene from the video. Example, okay, just like this. Click on edit. Then in here, CapCut also provide you with a templates that you can freely use for your cover photo. So for example, I'm going to use this one. Download the template first. Wait for it to fully download it. Okay, so in here, CapCut will be applied the templates to your to the cover photo that you choose, and you can just edit the text or the title with your own title. So for example, dance tutorial, example like that. And you can also delete the text that you don't want. So you can just click on delete on your keyboard like this. And after you're done editing your cover photo, you can just click on complete now. And after that, your cover photo will be saved. And you can also, when you click on export to export your project, you can also export the cover here by checking check on this box right here. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to click thanks, like, comment, and also subscribe to our channel. Bye.